Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a stateroom tour of an accessible Deluxe Oceanview stateroom. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a very unique layout.
Now this is a Category 9C, and the reason the layout's so unique is that it is at the very forward of the ship, so the walls are just a little bit different. The layout, of course, is different because it is accessible. You've got the roll-in shower and lots of other great features.
Let's go check it out.
So we go over here to the card reader, and the door actually automatically opens for us, which is really nice. Of course, it gives you some time to roll in here. There is just a tiny little lip there on the door, but it's not too bad. As we come into the room, you've got all your controls here on the right when you first come in. And then this big door is our bathroom, which does have a slight little ramp incline going up to the bathroom door, but it's not too bad. We've got a full-length mirror there on the back of the door. And then the bathroom, as you can see, very open. We have the roll-in shower that does have the seat you can fold down over here on the right. You've got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over here on the left. And then we do have that detachable shower head. If it is a little too tall, the stateroom host will bring that down and set it into a lock position down at the bottom of that bar for you if you need. So no worries there. We've got a toilet over here. We have the grab bars all the way around. And we also have the sink. And the sink does have a little bit of space underneath, so you can roll up under it. You've got the counter space there. You have some liquid soap there next to the sink, and you also have the lotion up here. As we head out into the room, you can see a little bit of a different layout in here, of course, to accommodate. And we have this beautiful painting on the wall of the Dream, Magic, Wonder, and Fantasy, along with the original Disney cruise ship, Steamboat Willie, down there at the bottom. And then our dresser here, we've got the chair. Of course, if you pull the chair out of the way, you do have enough space to roll up underneath that little area there in front of the mirror. We have a TV here and some storage up above the TV. Inside this cabinet, we have our mini fridge. There is no freezer section in there. We do have a good size mini fridge. There's some USB outlets built in right there on the wall. And we have some additional regular wall outlets over here on the right. They also have the hair dryer outlets that if you need to use the hair dryer, that's located in the drawers over there on the right, and they do have that special outlet for that. Up on the wall over here, we have some more artwork with different nautical elements, including some Disney characters that are made from rope. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy up there. And the bed over here is a queen size bed, as you can see. You've got the padded headboard up there. There is storage underneath the bed, so you can put your luggage under there. We've got the bed runner here with the different nautical elements, including the Disney Cruise Line logo there. And on the sides of the bed, we have these little nightstands that have a drawer. This one has the phone, and you also have a lamp here that has some little Mickey heads cut out of it. And the shade has different Disney parks and different Disney ships represented on it. We have a chair right here next to the bed, and we also have our closet space kind of over here in the corner. A lot of space here for storage. You've got the hanging clothes right there with the closet rod, and you can bring that closet rod down, fold it out if you need to, which is really great for accessibility. You've got the safe in there as well, and some space to store your luggage on the ground. And then this closet has more additional hanging space, the traditional closet rod there. And if you are using an upper berth, you do have that ladder. Of course, your stateroom host will assist you with pulling down that upper berth if you do need it. And you can see that is actually right across from the queen size bed up there in the ceiling. And we do also have a twin size bed in the couch over here in the corner. It's a really unique part of the ship here. You can see the ceiling is really slanted, gets really short right here. But that bed does fold down on the back of that couch, just a day bed, so it flips right over. We have a coffee table here as well as another chair. On this side of the bed, we also have another one of those lamps and an emergency call button that you do have to activate if you would like to use those here in the room. There's also a clock that does display ship time at all times, and there's a couple USB outlets on that clock, as well as one more wall outlet underneath the clock. And the ocean view part of this room, there is a porthole here that you can look out of, and you can pull right here on these bars to open up the curtains. It is a little bit odd because it's kind of a slanted part of the ship, but you can see out. It is really pretty. If you are seated though and you're in a wheelchair, you're going to be down right about here, and you cannot quite see over the edge of the ship to see the water, but if you're out on the ocean, you should still be able to see the horizon. And that's going to conclude our tour of this accessible Category 9C Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom here on the Disney Fantasy.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And if you head over to the channel, you'll find lots of other stateroom tours on Disney Cruise Line and room tours around Walt Disney World and other Disney resorts around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.